I'm Mohammed and I'm from Iran, but I'm living in Sweden. If I want to compare the internet and the communication with internet, actually in my country, in Iran, the internet is extremely limited because of some rules that there are lots of proxy and the internet brand is not so good and the speed is not in a good quality. But in the other hand, in Sweden, there isn't any limitation in any proxy. So for example, if I want to have a communication with my family, always I use Skype because of the good quality of sound. But when I use it, I have no problem in watching the webcam or something, but they have lots of problem because the internet speed doesn't have doesn't in a good quality. So I guess here, and not only in Sweden, I guess in whole Europe, the internet and the infrastructure, I guess, from internet is in a really high quality if you want to compare with some countries in maybe in Asia or something.